Hello, this is Dr. Alberg, and welcome to our course, Introduction to Reinforcement Motion Control. The topic of our lesson is motivation. The question is, why learning reinforcement learning motion control nowadays? And the answer at the top of the line is it provides optimal performance to the next generation autonomous market. Autonomous market is like humanoids, autonomous vehicles, robots that make decisions under uncertain environments. With Internet of Things, Industry 4, 5G, and cloud tools, which are readily available from giant AI companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, any automation company can develop innovative competitive solutions to autonomous needs. And what it does take to develop such a complex product, first of all, it's a perpetual curiosity to learn how reinforcement learning works, and we're going to get started in this course with that. It takes motivation to innovate on automation products. Instead of having a PID system where the control engineer has its watch profile, it has to do a reinforcement learning controller will look at all the options it has and make a decision which yields the optimal performance. It takes persistency and iterative problem solving because we start with simulation of the real environment. And we have to make sure that the simulation indeed defines the environment. It takes testing and iteration and coming back to correct the simulation until we are satisfied with the results, which are typically being provided with animation. It takes dedicated interdisciplinary mechatronics team, mechanical engineering, electrical engineers, software engineers, marketing folks. These are the mechatronics teams that are typically used in automation product development. However, we need to add top AI machine learning and mechanical engineering system analysts to the team in order to allow us to develop a reinforcement learning control system. And then above all, since it's not easy, we like to have business and technical leadership attitude. We like to be at the top. We like to be competitive. That's why we do it. With that, I'd like to thank you for listening, and I look forward to see you in our next lesson. Thank you.